It's Christmas in July. Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns. And today, pet hats. Christmas pet hats. How cool is that? I'm for big crochet. Baby Christmas hats. I've shown you Christmas hats you can make for yourself. And of course, Christmas pet hats have to be included in this Christmas in July series. So let's take a look at some cute things you can make for your four-legged friends. Starting off with this wonderful elf design. Of course, cutouts for the ears, big pom-poms. The cat looks like he's having fun. A teeny tiny Christmas hat for your cat or dog. Adorable. Little Santa hat, and it's held on with black, in this case because the cat is black, crocheted bow. Cute. Such a cute cat. Oh, and here you can see how it's made. It has flaps, and you didn't see it on the cat because, as I said, the cat is black and the photo isn't great, but you can of course adjust this to fit any color pet. Oh, he's very comfy in his little winter hat. So cute. I didn't know cats were so happy to allow hats to be put on them. But these one looks fairly comfortable in them. And this one looks very comfortable. Such a cute, I love the little ears popping out. Oh, it's adorable. I think it's the big pom-pom that makes all the difference. And we had this one already, a pink one. And a Santa red and white one. Another one, so cute. All these different patterns. I like the simple clear lines on this one. It's beautiful. And I like the little strings with pom-poms that they give an extra dimension to the hat. Cats love yarn. So I bet they love to have these little warm, snuggly hats as well. Oh, they look adorable, don't they? I can look at cats in crochet hats forever. So we're here to provide that service for you. Here's a snowman hat. You can see the holes that are meant for the ears. You may have to do some measuring on your own cat to see where the ears fall in the pattern. Oh, we finally have a dog. Dogs also get cool hats. Of course, they require a little bit different pattern. This is a fairly simple one that will fit any dog, probably, depending on how big you crochet it. It makes your dog into an instant reindeer. And here you see different kinds, also with the holes for the ears. Oh, adorable. So cute. The gallant greyhound also with a reindeer hat. And this reindeer hat has a big hat. This is a reindeer almost scarf hat. It's quite an elaborate thing for this greyhound, but he's nice and snuggly and warm. He looks like he's a handsome looking dog. Look at him, so cute. I love the pink ears. That's it for the cute, snuggly Christmas pet hats. I hope to see you again soon for more Christmas in July.